our class on a morning time, and we discussed about a snapshot and suspend like features in a VMware. Correct. Snapshot and suspend like a feature in a VMware. Okay, so that's okay all about a VMware workstation that we already discussed. Okay, for today I'm going with a VirtualBox. Okay, the full name is a Oracle VM VirtualBox. Oracle VM VirtualBox. Okay, so guys, what is Oracle VM VirtualBox? So actually, VirtualBox is a software. VirtualBox is a software like VMware. Correct. Which okay, the things are mostly same, which will help you to create a virtual machine, and you can run a virtual machine inside VirtualBox as well. But one thing more, if already you are using VMware, so don't use VirtualBox. And if due to VMware your system is hanging, if due to VMware your system is hanging, so then you can use a VirtualBox. Because guys, okay, if you will ask me, sir, VMware or VirtualBox, which is easy, which is easy to use? So I will tell VirtualBox is easy to use. VirtualBox is easy to use, easy to operate, and easy to install and everything. Okay, guys, okay, see the differences between a VMware and VirtualBox first of all. So VMware developed by a VMware company, okay, VMware workstation, and VirtualBox, okay, developed by a Oracle company. They both are a very good IT organization, no doubts. Okay, and you can say like if your system having a very good configuration, so VMware will be suitable for your system. And if you have a system in which okay, you have a 4 GB RAM, okay, less processor, so you can also do a virtualization by VirtualBox. So VirtualBox is suitable for less configuration of PC even. If you have a less configuration of laptop and desktop, so VirtualBox is a suitable. So VirtualBox is a suitable. Correct. So one thing more. First of all, raise the hand. Okay. Anyone who installed a VMware and system is hanging?
Mine, sir. Mine is hanging, sir.
Only Mukul and no one. Mahesh Babu also. Okay. And anyone other whose system is hanging due to VMware in virtual machine installation? Guys, okay, it's a reality that VMware will be highly suitable for those PC in which there is a good configuration of RAM, hard disks, and everything. If you have less configuration and even you want to do a virtualization, so VirtualBox will be the most means more good and more suitable for your environment and for your PC. Correct, guys. But okay, but even okay, we will start a VirtualBox topic later. Yes, sir. I tried in my friend laptop. Her laptop hanged, so I deleted that. Yes. Okay, so see, you don't need to worry. If VMware is hanging and you are not able to perform a virtualization, so you can try VirtualBox. I will tell you everything about a VirtualBox as I given you class on a VMware. Okay. So that in a 4 GB of RAM, also you can create a virtual machine, you can use it. Okay, in a VirtualBox also it will hang, but less as compared to VMware. In a VirtualBox, it will less hang. Definitely. I mean, VirtualBox basically designed for students, and that everyone can do a virtualization. That everyone can perform a virtualization, everyone can do a virtualization. VirtualBox basically designed for this thing. Correct. Okay, if you will take a help of Google, correct, you write it down here. What is Oracle VM VirtualBox? Correct. Okay. Okay, so okay, you can read about Oracle VM VirtualBox. Yeah. This document provides an overview of features and enhancement included in Oracle VM VirtualBox. It is instantly story to help you access the business benefits of upgrading the Oracle and plan your IT project. And yeah, I think exact definition will be just okay. Just a second. That's on a VirtualBox extension pack, no? Elevate. Okay, so see, so okay, simple thing. What is Oracle VM VirtualBox? So Oracle VM VirtualBox is a virtualization tool which help you to create a virtual machine and to use operating system virtually, like you are doing in a okay, like you did in VMware. Okay, like you did in VMware. Right. But guys, okay, VirtualBox will be highly suitable and you can say compatible with a less configuration of PC. Correct. And one thing more, if due to fear, okay, you are not performing virtualization, your system will hang. So you can perform VirtualBox, nothing will lose. If you have 4 GB RAM, also you can perform VirtualBox. Correct. Okay, so see, number one thing is download. Okay, download and install okay, download and install Oracle VM VirtualBox in PC. Correct. Yeah, guys, how would you download and how would you install Oracle VM VirtualBox in a PC? Correct. So let's say the process. Okay, so guys, see how would you download and how would you install Oracle VM VirtualBox in a PC? So for downloading and installing Oracle VM VirtualBox in a PC, first of all, go to browser. Okay, and here write it down. Oracle VM download. Oracle VM. Okay, okay, only Oracle VM VirtualBox. Correct. And you can go to first website, Oracle VM VirtualBox, www.oraclevmvirtualbox.org. You can click here. After clicking here, okay, you are seeing an option download section. Okay, click on download. Okay. Then you are able to see you can download VirtualBox in a Windows, in a all the Linux distribution on all. Correct. So as you know very well, in my physical machine, I have a which OS? Windows OS, right? Correct. So I will click on Windows host. And guys, if you remember, VMware software size was 616 MB, right? But VirtualBox software size is 103 MB something. Correct. So here you can go to click on Windows host. Okay. It downloaded. Okay, right. See, 103 MB. See, this one, 103 MB. Right. Okay, and guys, 103 MB will download very easily. Okay, will not take a lot of time. You can count 1, 2, and 3 downloaded. Right. So VirtualBox downloaded. Correct. So after download, how to install? Same process, guys. Same process. You can open a particular tool, particular software. Okay, and after open a particular software, you can give a permission of yes. Okay. Okay, and guys, after giving a permission of yes, you are able to see welcome to the Oracle VM VirtualBox 6.1.32 setup wizard. The setup wizard will install Oracle VM VirtualBox on your computer. Click next to continue or cancel to exit the setup. I want to continue, right? So I will click on next. Correct. And then this, okay, then again next. Then again next and install. You know very well. Next. Yes. Install. So within a minute, VM, okay, VirtualBox software will install. Within a minute, VirtualBox software will install. Okay. See. Okay, completed, right? Oracle VM VirtualBox 6.1.3.2 installation is complete. Click on finish. Installed. Right. And guys, the VirtualBox don't need any kind of license. For example, VMware will expire in a 30 days, right? If you will not give a license. In a free trial, you can use for a 30 days. Correct. After 30 days, it will ask for a license. But VirtualBox will not ask for a license. It's absolutely free of cost. So download it, right? Okay, I can open this software. See. Okay, you can see. Okay. Welcome to VirtualBox. Right now. So please do the practical parallel as me.
सर VMware है तो इसकी जरूरत नहीं रहती हमें करने के लिए.
Yes.
Which
If
type
VM,
of cipher restrict the alphabets or limited number of symbols?
if VMware is hanging, correct, then you can install VirtualBox.
Which type of cipher
If VMware is working absolutely fine, correct, in your PC, then you can use that one, VMware. Correct. Guys, so see, after happening, now tell me, in a VMware, we have installed Ubuntu operating system, right? Right or wrong?
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
Correct. Here, which OS you want, I will install in a VirtualBox.
Windows, sir. Windows 10.
Guys, write in a chat box, which OS you want, I will install in a VirtualBox, virtual machine. Okay, in a chat box, write it down. I will count how much people are agree with the Windows and how much agree with the Ubuntu again. Correct. I'm asking your choice. Because I'm asking to all of you, not from a 1 and 2 person only. Only some person writing in a message. We have a total 25 here. Okay. I want a reply from all. Which OS you want that I will install in a VirtualBox? Bhaskar is saying Windows 10. Rachna is saying Windows. Akash Windows. Mukul Ubuntu. Vishwanath also Ubuntu. Ganesh Ubuntu. Gajanan, only you are saying Red Hat Linux. The rest all is a Windows or Ubuntu. Okay. Now tell me the person who are saying Windows, why Windows, and if you are saying Ubuntu, why again Ubuntu? Yes, Vishwanath, tell me why you are saying for Ubuntu.
So
What is
because
the reason?
it's Oracle, VMware VirtualBox, right?
Yes.
So you can access by only like Linux or Ubuntu or Kali.
Who told you?
I have some ideas, so that reason I'm telling.
No. In a VirtualBox, Windows, Linux, whatever OS file you have, you can.
Okay.
Doesn't matter.
Hmm.
Okay, doesn't matter.
Hmm.
Yeah. That's nice thing. Very good answer. Sir, we have seen Ubuntu. Now, can we see the Windows? So, right. Ubuntu
Yes.
all of it's in, right? Okay, guys. So I will install Windows. Okay. I will install Windows here. Because Ubuntu all of it's in, right? Because Windows installation will be a lot of settings. Okay, a lot of process. And don't worry. Okay. After my session, you will get a class on a Windows administration, right? There you can get a complete information out of Windows. Today, I will only show you that how I will install a Windows operating system inside a VirtualBox. Correct. So guys, okay, next one practical. Okay. Create a virtual machine. Create a virtual machine and install Windows OS on it. Right. Guys, first of all, what you required? You required Windows operating system, ISO image, right? Correct. So guys, okay, you can download a Windows OS ISO file.
Authentication
Sir,
using
पूछना
the
था।
shared secret instead of using digital.
Ganesh, in your background, who are telling? Windows 10 OS ISO file download, right? Okay, you can go to this website, itactish.com. Okay, here you have a file size is a 5.5 GB Windows file size. The file, okay, this one. Okay, I've already. Okay, already I have. Okay, you can check. Okay, if you want, you can download, right? I'm sending a link. Okay, you can download a Windows 10 operating system by this link. Okay. Just you will click here, the download will start. It will take a few minutes and then download will start automatically. Just after clicking on, you are saying Windows 10, you see 5.5 GB, right? But okay, already I have, so I will not download. Okay, but if you want, you can download. Correct. Yeah, so okay, you required Windows 10 ISO file, so you can download, right? And then guys, now okay, I can show you. I have a Windows 10 ISO image. Right, Windows 10. This one also Windows 10. Correct. So guys, here, okay. Now I'm going to get a virtual machine and then I will install Windows 10 operating system on it. Guys, see, the creation of virtual machine in a virtual box is a something different process. Okay, things are mostly similar. Things are mostly similar, but something, you know, the software is different. So there will be a different interface. So you are able to see the interface. Right.
Sir?
So if you want to create
Sir,
a new
one doubt,
virtual
sir.
machine,
Can you show me the link
yes,
once again? Which one is to download, sir?
this one, first one,
Okay, sir.
5.5 GB. Remember the size. This one.
Thank you.
Okay, so if you want to okay, create a virtual machine, correct, and you want to install Windows OS, so here you are able to see option new. You can click on new. After clicking on new, you are able to see name and operating system name. What is the name you want, you can give. So I'm giving Windows 10. Okay, guys, when I given Windows 10 name, okay, means virtual machine name. Correct. You are able to see type automatically detects Microsoft Windows. If I will write here Ubuntu, right? See, automatically detect type Linux version 64. Okay, but I want for a Windows. He is not taking Windows 7, right? I will give space and will write 10. So okay, automatically version is a Windows 10. Okay, it detects automatically this one. Type and versions. Okay. Correct. And guys, after doing this, okay, then you are able to see memory size. Memory size is a 2048 MB. Means how much RAM you want to assign.
2G.
2 GB.
Correct. Okay, I am giving 4 GB. It's my wish, right? Because I have 8 GB RAM. Okay, and for now only I want to access a one virtual machine. Correct. So I'm giving 4 GB. Okay, you can give 2 GB, 1 GB as well as minimum 1 GB you can give. But then you are able to see hard disks. So okay, you are getting 3 options. Do not add a virtual hard disk. And guys, you know, if you will click on do not add a virtual hard disk, so where operating system will install. So okay, that's why you can click on a create a virtual hard disk now. Then you can click on create. And then okay, you are able to see file size, right? Okay, 50 GB. Okay, written. How much you want, you can give a file size.
20 GB.
So I'm giving 20 GB. Okay, it's my wish. I can give 100 GB as well as. Okay, because I told you the okay, in my okay, I don't have a 60, I mean 50 GB of free space in a C drive. So I can't give now. 46 GB is only free. Correct. So I've given 20 GB. It's my wish. Then you can click on create. Okay. So Windows 10 virtual machine has been created, but till now, guys, we haven't specified any operating system. Right now? Have I given any OS file, Windows 10 OS file? No.
sir.
So how to attach a ISO image after creation of virtual machine? So here you can right click on a settings. Everything in a settings. Okay, in a settings, you are able to see option system display general. Okay, and you are able to see option storage. In a storage, you are able to see this is a empty. This one. Correct. You can click on empty. And then you are able to see this one, which is a DVD. Click on this one. Then you can click on choose a disk file. Correct. You can click here. And then which ISO image you want, you can insert. Okay, I'm inserting this one. Click on open. Correct. Click on OK. Guys, so now the virtual machine has been created and this virtual machine contains what? Windows 10 ISO image. Correct. Now I will click on start. Like in a VMware, we are clicking on a power on the virtual machine. Here, okay, you can click on start. Okay, see, this is a Windows symbol, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see. Now it is saying to you, okay, you can click on next. Only next. Click on install now. Okay, I given 4 GB RAM so that it will work fast. And now it is saying, okay, activate Windows. But guys, okay, you can click on I don't have a product key. Definitely, right? Then okay, you are able to see which operating system you want to install. Home and what? Okay, I want Pro. The Windows 10 Pro. Okay, you can install anything here. Okay, it doesn't matter. You click on Windows 10 Pro. The Pro means professional. Click on next. Okay, otherwise here you can select any OS for now. Okay, but always select Pro. Okay, that will be good because you will get extra features. Then you know very well you need to accept a license terms. Then you can click on next. Okay, now okay, you are seeing two kind of installation. Which type of installation do you want? Upgrade or custom?
Customize.
And you can read. upgrade of, okay, if I click on upgrade option, what will happen? Install Windows and keep file settings application. These file settings and application are moved to the Windows. This option is only available when a supported version of Windows is already running, but it's not running now. It's the first time I'm installing. I will click on custom, then next. Now guys, it will take a few minutes. You're seeing getting file ready for installation. Okay, it will complete from 0 to 100%. Then Windows OS will install. Okay, 1%, no, it will go for 100%. Don't worry. Okay, you can wait and watch, because you know installation like things is time taking process.